Next, we are solving systems of equations using Cramer's rule. So this is a very different way to solve a system of equations. And we are really going to be using determinants to do this. And we're going to have to find 4 different determinants in this process. So the first determinant, D, we want to take the coefficients of the x column, y column, and z column, and then find the determinant of that 3 by 3 matrix. So we can do that on the calculator, and that will get us 5. dx, we want to take that same matrix, except for we want to replace the x column with the totals column. So the 3, -3, and 4, I'm going to use those instead of the 2, -1, and 1. So if we take the determinant of this matrix, we get 15. To find dy, we need to go back to our original 3 by 3 D matrix, and this time replace the y column with the totals column. So if we take this determinant, we get -10. And then lastly, we need to replace the third column, or the z column, with the totals. And finding that determinant, we get 5. So now that we have our 4 determinants, we need to use this formula to find our x, y, and z values. So x is equal to dx over d. So that would be the 15 over the 5, which is 3. Y is equal to dy over d, so -10 over 5, which is -2. And then z is equal to dz over d, which is 5 over 5, which is 1. So our final answer is 3, -2, and 1.